Kipchumba.
My name is Afiji. My name is Ivan Cherab.
And we are ready to present to you a poem entitled
Grandpa. Welcome.
Grandpa, oh, the man of the people. Where are you, Grandpa? I cry when I don't see you around. You went far away from us, our hearts split, and now we are lonely. Why this one? May your soul rest in peace. You ensure great things to us with a pure heart for sure. You did an amazing job. May your soul rest in peace. Our soul, yeah, you fought for us. We are ever proud of you. You shall rest in peace. The kingdom of heaven you enter, the word of God you fulfill. We miss your kindness. May your soul rest in peace. Goodbye, Grandpa. Goodbye, Uncle. Bye, Ponju.
Thank you. Yes, kongoi amangwan ga ga sa check tool.